In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect electronic drums to Ableton. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up and connect any model of electric drums that you have to Ableton Live. You will be able to easily establish this connection in two main ways and see, record, and use your electric drums in conjunction with Ableton. So to do this, you can choose between using a USB or MIDI connection. For this video, I chose to use as a reference the Alesis Nitro Max electric drum kit, but of course you can use any other electric drum model that you have. For this particular model, the primary way of connecting it to a computer is going to be USB. However, if you have a MIDI connection, which is also extremely common for most electric drum kits, you can use that instead. So in summary, choose between a MIDI or USB connection. If you want to use USB, you plug one end of the USB cable into the module for your electric drum kit, and then the other one goes into your PC or laptop. It is simple to set up, so just establish this connection by plugging the respective cables into the respective ports. Once the connection has been established, you can launch the software and everything is going to be available in there. Of course, if you have MIDI instead, then you just plug one end of the MIDI cable into the module, and then you can use a MIDI to USB adapter to make the connection easier to your PC or laptop. The baseline is that you have to establish this physical connection between the module and the PC or laptop. With the proper cables connected, you are good to go. You can access the Link MIDI settings inside of Ableton, and you will be able to see if it was properly detected. If you notice that the text is red, it could mean that there is a problem with the connection, so check to see if you used the proper ports, the out, the ins, and such. And as long as your specific set of electric drums is enabled for the track, you will be able to start a new track, choose the options to use that drum in the MIDI track, and you will be able to set the MIDI drum to your drum module and the MIDI to the drum rack or instrument that you added to the track. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect electronic drums to Ableton. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.